Resonance structures and curved arrows. These are different Lewis structures of the same molecule that contribute to the overall true structure. Chemists refer to these structures as hybrid structures. Related hybrid structures are obtained by shifting the pi electron density with adjacent p orbitals. The degree of contribution of a resonance hybrid to the overall true structure depends on, in order of significance, number 1, most atoms with a complete octet. Number 2, the fewest formal charges and the lowest charge possible. Number 3, charges are assigned to the appropriate atoms, where most electronegative atom has a negative charge. Number 4, maximum distance between charges that are the same and closer distance for opposite charges. Resonance structures and p orbitals. Let's begin with a simple example of carbon and nitrogen connected by a double bond. This is structure 1. Notice that the p orbital overlap gives a pi bond above and below the internuclear axis. There are 2 shared electrons represented by 2 black dots to give the pi molecular orbital. A resonance hybrid 2 is created by shifting these 2 shared electrons to nitrogen. Now, the 2 electrons occupy the nitrogen p orbitals, giving nitrogen a formal charge of -1. The carbon has an empty p orbital and its valence electrons is 6. Carbon has a formal charge of +1. Similarly, a shift of 2 shared electrons can give resonance hybrid 3, as noted by a curved arrow pointing at carbon. Carbon's p orbital is now filled with 2 electrons and carbon has a formal charge of -1. Nitrogen has an empty p orbital and 6 valence electrons. Its formal charge is +1. In summary, by re-examining the resonance hybrids 1, 2, and 3, and using the order of significance from the previous page, structure 1 has a complete octet and no formal charges. This is the most significant structure. Structure 2 and 3 have incomplete octets, but structure 2 has the electronegative atom with a formal charge of -1, while structure 3 has a positive charge on the electronegative atom. This makes structure 2 more significant than structure 3. Both structure 2 and 3 are not significant.